Good morning, Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar fans. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. And this is our fourth edition of our Vivridration shots and what the ingredients are. So far we've gone over beets, we've gone over turmeric, and we've gone over the benefits of ginger. The fourth ingredient that I'd like to go over with you today is garlic. Now garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold. Its active compound in garlic can reduce blood pressure, and garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. So thanks for tuning in again. Remember, we are in Mableton, Georgia, as well as Atlanta, Georgia in the Greenbrier Mall. And this is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. And we just went over our fourth ingredient of our Vivridration shot. And we'll be talking to you soon. Have a nice day.